Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you a cheese ravioli dinner that my kids really enjoy. To start, we'll add some butter to a hot pan, and while that's happening, we'll boil our pasta right next to us. Add some extra virgin olive oil, grab your onions, bell peppers, and garlic all chopped up. Some more garlic because I really enjoy garlic. Then grab some white wine, Riesling for example, and throw that in with salt and pepper. Add some cut up tomatoes. Throw in some fresh basil. And we'll grab our pasta and add our pasta to our pan. Stir just to make sure all the ingredients are combined. I love a saucy pasta, so I usually add in a couple more fresh tomatoes and just squeeze the juices right in and drop the tomato right into the pan. The flavors that you get from using fresh ingredients will make a huge difference in the outcome of your pasta. So grab all the fresh ingredients that you can find, your tomatoes, your bell peppers, and throw it right in. This next step is optional. I usually add some 2% milk to my pasta to give it a creamier sauce. And I add some more fresh basil. I grab some grated Parmesan cheese and sprinkle the Parmesan cheese over my pasta close to the end. Close to the end, I taste the pasta just to make sure that there is enough salt and pepper. And if it doesn't, I sprinkle some more salt and some fresh ground pepper. And voila, you have the perfect ravioli pasta dinner for you and the kids to enjoy. If you liked this video, please subscribe and leave a comment to let us know how your pasta dinner turned out. Thank you.